in the Benz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of babe. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want the shoe with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top, babe. She wants shit.
Hi guys, Nakia Lindsay here, back with another video, and today I am bringing you the Valentine's Day sleigh. This is like a casual Valentine's Day, I want to say. No cuts, no cut crease, all blended, glitter eye, pink, purple, white, ombre lip, you know. I'm not going to keep this intro long, keep it nice and short. If you want to see how we got this Valentine's Day sleigh, then keep on watching. So first things first, for eye primer, I'm using my concealer and Anastasia primer mixed together. I'm going to jump into the Amrezy palette. All the shades that I use will be listed down below, but I'm taking this one shade and packing it into my outer V and bringing it into my crease. Taking the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, buffing out that crease color. Going into the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, I'm taking a deeper pink and just deepening my transitional crease area because I want the pink to stand out a little bit more. Going back in with the Amrezy palette, I'm taking the color You Go, I believe, and I am deepening up my outer V and slightly bringing it into my crease area. Taking that black shade, and again I'm putting it into my outer V just to deepen it because I felt like the brown wasn't really doing too much for me. This is not a cut crease, but I am placing that primer concealer mix onto my lid. No definite shape or anything. I'm just patting it on so I can put my eyeshadow on top. Taking that Resi color, it's a pink shade, and I am blending that into my outer V color and onto my lid. On my lid, I'm using the Anastasia shade. It's like a pale pink shade, well, pale pink white shade. I'm putting that on my inner portion of my eye, inner half of my eye. Make sure you blend those shadows together because, girl, you don't want harsh lines on your eye. You want everything to be a nice gradient, sis. A nice gradient. Girl, your girl was thirsty, okay? Yoo-hoo vanilla. Get you some. Now for glitter, I'm taking a random glitter. Sorry, it's really no name. I'm just packing it on to the inner portion of my eye. It's like a silver white kind of mix. It's really no name, sorry, but use any white glitter. To line my eye, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner. No wing, I'm just doing a thick liner and I'm smoking it out into my outer V area. Next, I'm taking this Fenty mascara. Don't really like it, so it's whatever. And then I am putting on some lashes. Sorry, no name lashes. Literally, some Ardell lashes with some Sephora lashes mixed. Styles below. To prime my face, I'm taking the new Professional Primer from Benefit for dry skin. And for foundation, I'm taking the Urban Decay Stay Naked in foundation in shade 80CG. For concealer, I'm using my Makeup Forever concealer in the shade 50 and my NARS Chocolate concealer. Taking it out, Beauty Blender, and you're going to blend it out. Now for setting powders, your girl is going to set with 2 powders. I take the Anastasia translucent powder and the Huda Beauty Easy Baked Loose Setting Powder in the shade Kunafa. I do Kunafa first, which is a yellow shade, and then I put the translucent powder on top. There's no reason why. I just really actually like the translucent shade and the Kunafa shade. I will do the translucent right there, as you can see, on my inner portion by my nose, and I'll put it on my smile lines because I feel like it sets my smile lines really nicely, because your girl just be smiling at work all day. I smile all day in general, so. But I like these 2 powders. These are my 2 staples right now. Boom, boom. I'm going to go ahead and dust that powder because your girl is dry. We're not leaving no powder on no dry skin. Ain't got no time for that. I'm going to go and take my Lancome foundation powder in the shade 540 Suede W, and I'm patting a little bit of that over my highlighted areas to make sure everything is blended seamlessly. Taking this LA Colors, I believe, white pencil. I bought it from Ulta. I'm putting that into my waterline, and I am smoking out my lower lash line with the shades I used in my crease. Next, for bronzer, I'm taking my Hoola Toasted Bronzer. I use this in every video, y'all. I'm just going to bronze up these cheeks, my big old forehead, and everything else. For blush, this is so old, I'm not even going to tell y'all the color of it. Like, I'm not even going to tell y'all the brand either. For highlighter, I'm taking the Crayon Case and Glola Loose Highlighter. This highlighter is bomb. Only loose highlighter that I use and I actually enjoy. It's like a rose gold color. I'm going back in with the Anastasia M Resi palette, and I'm using that shade as a topper. It's like a pink golden shade. Bomb. For lips, I'm taking my liquid lipstick by Anastasia in the shade Potion, and I am lining my lips with it. And to fill in my lips, I'm taking the Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick, the shade I will list down below. Pat, 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 pat. For gloss, I'm going to be taking this NARS gloss shade down below, and I'm just going to place that on top because I wanted a glossy lip for this look. Alright, your girl is done. I'm about to go change and come back to y'all. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, everyone, so this is the final look. Think down below, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. You already watched the whole video, so you're already feeling these vibes I'm giving off, so go ahead and subscribe. Follow all my social media sites, they will be listed down below. Check out my previous video as well. I'll link it right here in the card so you can check that out. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this Valentine's Day slay. Hopefully I bring you some more, but until next video, bye.